In a world where energy has become crucial every second of every day, equipment failure can be extremely costly and dangerous. Taking the risk of having a failure is even less acceptable, as failures can be prevented. By comparing live data from machines to patterns developed with data accumulated and analyzed over years, predictive maintenance enables increased asset availability and production through advanced anomaly detection and failure prediction, equipment lifetime extension by optimizing equipment operations, reduced maintenance cost thanks to improved planning and execution of maintenance activities, enhanced sustainability performance as a result of energy efficiency, reduced CO2 footprint and lower emissions, ensuring the safety of site and personnel by maintaining asset integrity. To provide fully integrated predictive maintenance, Dietsmann, in addition to its extensive field maintenance experience, is enriching its services with an advanced analytics solution. It has chosen Arundo as its partner in this effort. Dietsmann, a leading independent operation and maintenance specialist in the energy sector. On one side, with 40+ years of experience in the oil and gas, nuclear and power generation industries. A multi-local company with a worldwide presence. With a broad industry client base, including IOCs and NOCs. A wealth of technical expertise on equipment. And the capacity to interpret data and translate predictions into technical recommendations. Teaming up with Arundo, an advanced data analytics specialist well acquainted with asset-intensive industries. Arundo's innovative machine learning tool, designated Marathon, takes different measures and creates patterns to predict failures on compressors, pumps, heat exchangers, generators, etc. Marathon provides easily scalable solutions, a tailored, user-friendly interface, experienced data scientists and equipment engineers, and the possibility to remotely deploy solutions. The great results that Dietsmann and Arundo have achieved separately will set new standards through this alliance, empowering industries with the predictive maintenance of tomorrow, provided as an integrated service. By applying Arundo's advanced analytics technology, Dietsmann experts, locally present on site, will be able to translate Marathon's insights into technical recommendations and actions to bring value for our clients. Let's see some examples of customer solutions. First, a compressor failure detection. Failures on compressors are relatively infrequent events, however, with high-impact consequences. A single failure can cause production loss to the extent of tens of millions of US dollars. The solution? A machine learning system that provides early warnings of abnormal compressor behavior. In this example, the system raised an alert 2 weeks in advance and identified the most anomalous sensors of the compressor. A second example, generator condition monitoring. Failures in the power generating system are rare, but still cause significant production losses every year. The sensor patterns are complex, making manual or rule-based monitoring of the system a challenge. A machine learning system monitoring the state of generators provides the solution. The system will raise an alert 2 to 4 weeks before the most commonly identified generator failures, allowing operators to take mitigating actions well in time. And the final example, heat exchanger performance monitoring. Heat exchanger fouling in this example resulted in an annual production loss of 5 to 7 million US dollars, plus the need for cleaning and repairs. Equipment without previously known failures was not monitored systematically, leading to an increased risk of future failures. Once again, a solution is at hand. The deployment of machine learning models that predict performance every 10 minutes based on real-time asset data and provide intervention alerts as soon as deteriorating performance is identified. For advanced data-driven failure prediction, predictive maintenance, equipment efficiency, emissions management and energy efficiency, contact us today. technology@dietsmann.com